Hey, it's Angela Wills from Marketer's Mojo here, coming at you from my kitchen. And the reason is I just got this package delivered in the mail, so I'm going to open it up. But before I do, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how I got it and why it was smart marketing on the part of Tassimo, Canada, who is giving away these awesome coffee makers that I can't wait to open. Still in the box, I haven't seen it yet. But what they did was they chose some of the top influential people in social media and gave them the opportunity to give away coffee makers. And I was just lucky enough to be on Twitter, and I saw Erin Blasky, who is a very influential social media lady, and she was giving away a coffee maker on Twitter. So all I had to do was message her, and then she sent that to me, and Tassimo sent me a coffee maker. So this is like a really cool coffee maker. Can't wait to open it. I think it's retail value something like $160, and I got free coffee in there. So let's we'll see in just a second. But what they did was I don't know what they said to Erin, but to me, you know, they just sent me a coffee maker. They didn't say blog about it, you know, tell people about it in your email newsletter or on Twitter or anything. They have this really powerful campaign going on where a lot of people are getting these free coffee makers, and they're using social media to get it out there. You know, I think it's a really great plan, a really great way to use social media. They're just giving, not saying, you know, I'll give you this for this. They're giving, and then they're seeing what people are doing with it. And then of course people like me who like to get on video and, you know, talk about opening boxes and stuff like that will do things like this. So you know, obviously I'm promoting Tassimo, but it's because I'm got a free coffee maker, so I'm excited. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, I'm not sure how to open it. I got it's got slits on the side and on the top, so I'm just going to do a little cut here. I think you can still see me. Yeah. Alright, so this looks like it's the bottom of the box. And it looks like oh my goodness, I got lots of coffee. Free from Twitter. Can you believe it? Nabob. A box with, what is in this? 12 discs. So this is 12 cups of coffee, I believe. Nabob latte. Yum. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Chai tea latte. Woohoo! I have got some breakfast blend. This is all Tassimo, and I think I'm saying it right. Cappuccino. I'm pretty sure there's some hot chocolate in here. Green tea. Maxwell House. Espresso. Look at all this coffee. My goodness. And that's just one of the stacks. And 14 discs here, 100% Colombian Nabob. Wow. That's a lot of coffee. Free coffee from Twitter and from Tassimo, Canada. So thank you very much. I love free gifts. Alright, so here's the box. I'm going to turn my back to you here. Open up this box. Alright, I'm going to have to put this down. Let's see. Here we go. Tassimo. I think I'm saying it right. Very cool. I've got myself an awesome coffee maker that makes me some coffee 1 cup at a time. So I think that's really convenient because I only drink 1 cup of coffee probably a day. But I like my coffee, and I definitely like my hot chocolate. So and there's some free discs in here too, so maybe I'll have the hot chocolate in there. But I'm going to come back and I'll let you know how the coffee is after I have a chance to set it up and tell you about it. Okay, just a second while I start the brewing of my coffee. And here is the Tassimo coffee maker, and it's got my Mickey Mouse mug in there all ready to go. And here's a latte. So I just put it in here like this, and then I close this down, and then I push the button. It should work if I did it right. Okay, so it's starting to work now. And I'll be back to tell you how my latte tastes. Hey, it's Angela again, and I've got my first latte. It's a latte macchiato. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Latte macchiato, and it's really good. So that's it. That's my free Tassimo Canada coffee maker, and I'm sure I'll have a link below this video, or it's on YouTube in this video, so you can check it out and see what the coffee maker is about. It's very creamy, smooth, you know, good coffee. Yum. Okay, bye for now. This is Angela Wills from marketersmojo.com.